to another LEGO review, and this is LEGO set 40370, the 40th anniversary LEGO trains with 188 pieces for 9 and up. This was a promo if you bought anything that add up to $100 on LEGO Shop. And this is a really nice free promo set because it comes with the classic LEGO minifigure. You can see his face, and it has a classic blue shirt torso. There's nothing on the back or nothing in the front, but it's a really nice display piece which goes right here. And this is the train build. This is a front 7810, and this number is the original set for this, which obviously look different. So the train is on a base, and then this is the inside of the train. Pretty nice. And the front, which the coolest part is this chrome silver 40th anniversary year sticker. And if you can see, there is a train right on the 0, which is a really cool set. You can also see it better on the box. Which the box is really cool by itself too, because you can see all this. And the back, it has the picture of the original box, which is kind of cool. And it's the old LEGO Systems logo, which that's kind of cool to see. Never seen it before. It has the yellow, red, white, blue, and black, while the original one, it's only this. I like this set, and I do recommend it, but they don't have it anymore, so. But if you could have got it, that's really cool. And I rated a 5 out of 5, definitely. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. And thank you for watching this LEGO review. Bye.